I'm Dr. Jagmohan Sardana. I did my post-graduation in ophthalmology from Rohtak Medical College in 79. After that, I did residency for 2 years there. Then I worked in Sant Parmanand Eye Hospital for about 6 months. From there, I got a job in England, London, as a locum job, which I worked only for 6 months. And then I shifted to Iran, and there I worked for 6 years as an ophthalmologist. We did a lot of surgery, and I was the head of the department over there. And we established the infect department of ophthalmology in the government hospital of Iran, and the place was Burjan. After coming to India in 85, I started my practice in ophthalmology and in Rajouri Garden. Then in 95, I acquired this hospital, which is a state-of-the-art hospital. We have almost all the equipments. So one by one, I'll tell you how we achieved all the equipments. This is a hospital which has a group of specialists, super specialists, and everybody is doing his own job. And we have about 7 consult ophthalmologists working in the Sardana Eye Institute. And I am doing basically the LASIK as well as the phaco surgery, and the other surgeons are doing different surgery in the different fields. Like retina, we have Dr. Ajay Munjal and Dr. Prem Tanwar. Then we have glaucoma specialist. Then we have oculoplasty surgeon, cornea surgeon, and they are here with us for the last many years now. And this team is working to the satisfaction of the patient. As I told you, we have a lot of equipment in the hospital. We have all basic investigative and the surgical equipments. In cataract, we have 4 slit lamps with us in different rooms, and we have in one is there in the resident room, another is in the optometrist room, one is in mine, the other one is with the LASIK room. So we have 4 slit lamp, 2 biometers, then we have keratometer, then we have other LASIK investigating procedures like OpScan. The working station is there with a barometer and OpScan. Then we have the YAG laser, and for the retina we have fundus photography. Then angiography is from Zeiss, and we have the green laser, OCT, and they are all from the Zeiss company, and they are the state-of-the-art equipments. And in the OT, surgical equipments, in the phaco we have 2 phaco machines. That is, one is the Stores from Bausch & Lomb, and one is the Infinity from Alcon. And basically we are mainly using the Infinity machine, and we do provide the best possible surgery to the patients. And in the LASIK, we have excimer laser from Trevitron, and then we have intralace procedures, that is the femtosecond laser from the Abbott, and these are the combination of excimer laser as well as the Bausch & Lomb excimer laser as well as the Abbott intralace is supposed to be one of the best combination to provide the best possible results. And in the optometrist, we have NCT, we have the autorefractometer, then we have the autokeratometer, and the lensometers. Everything we have, almost everything, and these are the one of the best equipments we have. Slowly we have achieved all these equipments, and now we are almost one of the best equipped hospital in Delhi as well as maybe in India also.